Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Travel with Ridan. I hope you've watched our previous video on how to plan a trip from India to Prague. Today in this video, we will tell you how you can spend a day in Prague. Some of the most visited places in Prague are the Charles Bridge, the astronomical clock, Prague Castle, and also people admire the medieval architect of this city. Prague was the most favorite city of Hitler, and that is why he never attacked Prague during the Second World War. And in fact, it is believed that he wanted to uh, stay here or get settled after his retirement. So you can imagine the beauty of this city, and it is still the same if you ask me, whatever I have seen till now. So in this video we will take you to all these important attractions and provide you more details. So continue watching and subscribe to our channel.
Look at the Prague city. It's so beautiful.
You have a lot of walking tours here in Prague, which most of the students come here in the hotels and the hostels. They take you around 10:30, and you can see some people having their flags. So those are the groups, so they just follow them, and these are free walking tours, but at the end of the tour in the evening you can pay them some charges. So the guards in front of the castle, I'm sure there is an entry fee to go inside. This is the biggest castle in the world, the Prague Castle. So there's a long queue to go inside the church. Oh, the queue looks very long. So after seeing the beautiful Prague castle and the church, we are exiting from the main gate where we had seen the guards, and I think there's a ceremony going on for the change of guard. So let us quickly go and look that. Oh, looks like we are on the wrong end now because the ceremony has started. After watching a beautiful change of guard ceremony, we are heading to the next destination or next location in Prague. The view from here of Prague city is really beautiful and amazing. seeing the beautiful Prague Castle and enjoying a hot Starbucks coffee, we are going to Jewish quarters and the old town. So this is the route on the other side. The steps go down. You don't have to take the same route from which we had come. Look at the view of the city from here. So these are some kind of traditional handmade pottery things. Wow. Honestly telling, the architecture here in Prague is amazing. This is St. Nicholas Church. Beautiful architecture. And there's this big bus in Prague which takes you around all the places and show you the main attractions. You also have some hop in hop off buses where you can just buy the tickets and in 24 hours you can roam around the places. Seems to be a nice dining place here, and that's the marketplace here. And I could see some beer barrels. We'll try to visit some of the bars here in the evening. Honestly, I am in love with this city. It's really beautiful. And you can see one vintage car in front of me. So like I mentioned, there are tours which will take you around the city in this car. I'm not sure about the cost. Maybe I'll just put it on the screen for you when I get to know. It's a pure mix of old culture and new culture, and that's the tram of the city. A nicely connected city throughout. It's a beautiful square here. People enjoying the holidays. And the famous Prague tram. We'll take a ride of this tram soon. So Prague's world famous Charles Bridge. And a nice antique car here, you can see, and there's the rate written also. 30 minutes, 60 euros per person. Thank you. Maybe we'll try that later, but look at those cars, amazing. The souvenir shop here. Another vintage car. If you want to have a royal feeling and then go back in time, you can take ride of one of these, and there the latest technology BMW. So let's go and explore the world famous Charles Bridge in Prague. Look at the crowd here. So it is always advisable to come here early and there are different places here along the river where you can stand and watch this bridge in the evening. Looks magnificent. We'll try to go to one of those places and show you some views from there as well.
You see so many Charles Bridge.
These are some of the souvenirs, earrings, and
Statues.
this looks like an astronomical clock model. Some portraits.
You see a lot of statues here.
So I guess that's the place from where you can get the entire view of this Charles Bridge and get a nice picture photo of yourself. But with this weather and the calm water flowing, it is amazing to walk here. So we are heading towards the square where we can see the astronomical clock and Jewish quarters. And while coming back again in the evening, we'll take a stroll around this bridge to go back to our hostel. Ridan carefully listening to the music and admiring it. The view of Prague Castle from here is amazing. So this is the city gallery for which you can see a long queue, but we'll head towards the old town square. Definitely one thing to admire here in Europe is that they have preserved their heritage and they've kept all these old monuments really well. I think that is what brings in a lot of tourists here, and especially Prague, which is believed to be having all the architects from the medieval age. And now I'm sure, after seeing that, why Hitler was in love with this city. Here we are in the old town square. And there's a Christmas market. So this is the traditional dessert here of Prague and a very famous one. So we just trying one. Looks yummy and comes with a lot of toppings, like you can add a chocolate and other stuff here. The price is written on the screen. Likewise, there are waffles everywhere, churros, and a lot of eating places here in this Christmas market. The waffles here are in different shape, maybe like a candy, so that it is easy to eat. But you also have the traditional waffles there, and these are potato chips. A beautiful atmosphere here. Behind me is the most famous astronomical clock of Prague, and this is the clock. You can see there's a clock tower here, and people can go up as well. There is small fees for that, but there's a timing, especially where those two windows will open, and then there's a kind of a show, so you can watch that show as well. It is pretty crowded right now. There's a beautiful Christmas market here behind me, which is on the old square of Prague. So there is another major attraction here in Prague, the rotating head. This is a new art piece. So we walked around 10 minutes from the astronomical clock to see this new marvel. So it's a metal piece where there are basically two pieces of structure will combine together and it will rotate. So if you can notice, both of them are slowly rotating now. There isn't a major movement, but I can notice it from my side. So you can see the face has changed. So this happens every 1 hour. So after walking for another 10-12 minutes, we are going to the dancing building, which is another famous landmark here, and this is right next to the river. So the plan is to see that and then take a tram to Charles Bridge again. So here is an iconic building in Prague, which is also called as the dancing building. You might find a lot of Instagram photos with this building. Some people kicking this, some people leaning on it. Let's try a couple of them. I could also see one person trying to do that again there. People try out their photographic skills here. Time is 4:40 now, and we thought let's walk to Charles Bridge again and see it during the night. So that's the spectacular view I was talking about of Charles Bridge in the night and Prague Castle in the background. Although the time is just 5 o'clock now, but it's already dark and all the lights are up. Look at the reflection of the castle in this river. That's another attraction there. A huge tower like Eiffel Tower, but it's a different name there. All the trams are jam-packed because it is evening time. I hope you are enjoying the video. So please like, share and subscribe our channel so that we get a lot of motivation. And behind me now is the Prague Castle, and famous Charles Bridge. So we'll be walking back again from that bridge now towards our hostel, which is just 400 meters from there. Almost everybody enjoying the beer, world famous beer of Prague. With this, we would like to end our day here, and we've come back to our hostel now. I hope you liked the video, you enjoyed all the views we showed you around the Prague. So do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.